Alrighty guys, welcome back to a new series where I'll learn how to use Python while teaching you guys. This is currently, I forgot what week it was. My last video was on, I know that it's day 74 because I just streamed a video. Last was week 7, that was 3 weeks ago. So this is currently week 9. And well, yeah, I haven't posted for 3 weeks my YouTube videos because I was streaming. Let me actually show you guys my weekly progress. Let's go to my gameplay screen. Okay, so here, this was my previous video, which was week 7 part 1, but I haven't been posting because I was real tired going live. I go to my oldest live, which is 3 weeks ago. This live I learned about recursion, and then I forgot what questions what I went through this live. Let's see. Okay, input. What did I go through this live? Let's see. Okay, this live I went through args and quarks. Okay, so I went through recursion, args and quarks. These are okay. I remember these were args and quarks as well. More args and quarks. Okay, guys, whatever those were, because I kind of forgot what I went through. But today, this week, I went through, let's see. Okay, I went through if dunder name equals dunder main. I went through match case statements. Not this week, last week I went through match case statements. That is week 8. And I know this video is pretty vague. I'll try to make regular videos every week after I'm done streaming to like let you guys know what I did. And then I went through object-oriented programming as well. I was done with object-oriented programming. That was streamed 12 days ago. Classes and objects, and then I went through class variables. So that's basically class variables. I went through class methods, and then I went through inheritance. I had to do 2 streams. Actually, never mind. My first stream probably crashed. That's why I went through my second stream. Okay, and then I went over multiple inheritance, polymorphism, and duck typing. I managed to complete all of those in just 3 hours and 15 minutes because they were actually pretty much alike, polymorphism and duck typing. Multiple inheritance, regular inheritance gave me a brief idea on multiple inheritance. I feel like I'm yapping way too much, but then later, 2 days ago, I went over mastering file handling in one stream. It took me 5 hours and 15 minutes, but I won't go as far as saying I mastered file handling, but I did get a brief idea on file handling, so we can say I went through that. And then 2 days ago again, I streamed about Pygames. I started Pygames, and then I started learning on how to automate objects or movement in Pygames. And today, 26 minutes ago, I went through collisions. So how do you collide things in Pygame? Means collide 2 objects. So yeah, basically that was it for my weekly progress. Let me just go here. Alright, so yeah, basically that was it for my weekly progress. If you guys want a detailed overview, and I can be teaching you guys this stuff because it is kind of advanced. I could teach args and quarks, but after my 100 series, once I'm pretty good with Python and all that, probably way after my 100 series was I'm pretty good with Python, I'm going to be making a detailed tutorial on everything I learned, everything you guys have to learn, and we'll upload it so you guys can learn as well. But that aside, I will try uploading every week on the stuff that I did that week. I did upload for 3 days because I was kind of new to my streaming and everything. That aside, that's all I did for the past 3 weeks. This is currently day 72 of my Python for 100 days. I've got 28 more days exact to make a game using Python. If you guys want detail, if you guys want to do exactly what I did, you guys could stick through my lives. That's just like a quick shameless plug. That aside, I can't talk because I'm really exhausted. I just did a 4 hours and 15 minutes live. Everything aside, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Liking helps my algorithm, sharing makes you smile, and subscribing is like a cherry on top. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace.